everyone. Our recipe this month is a citrus salad. This is our citrus lesson, so this is a great recipe for using citrus. It's a really simple salad to put together. It has a lot of great flavor, a lot of different flavors mixed in, and it has a lot of good nutrition. The recipe will be going home with you if it hasn't already. This is in our Michigan Harvest of the Month, and our recipe is right here. So you will have this. And always remember, when you're making your own food, you can put in or take away what you want. So if there's something in here that you don't really care for, you can always substitute it or just take it out altogether. So we're going to put this together. We're going to start out with 5 cups of salad greens. When you're choosing salad greens, you want to try to get the darkest greens that you can. And in this one, I am using romaine. As you can see, this is a nice dark green up at the top. You can use spinach or kale. Those are also very nice dark greens. I've already washed the romaine and chopped it up, and I have 5 cups of that in my bowl. And then for our citrus, we are using oranges, and this is the orange that I bought. This is called a Cara orange, and it's actually a pink orange instead of an orange. It's a little bit sweeter and milder in flavor, so I'm going to pour that in. This has just been peeled and chopped up into bite-sized pieces. So I'm going to pour that over our salad greens. And then our other citrus is grapefruit, and I'm using a ruby red grapefruit. That's what this one is right here. It's kind of a small grapefruit, and our citrus is just coming into season now, so there's a lot of nice things to try in the grocery store. Always try to look around the produce area when you're in the grocery store and try new things. So I have peeled this grapefruit and sliced it up into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to add that to our big bowl. Then I have a red onion that I have thinly sliced, and this is my onion right here. As you can see, it's kind of a dark purple. I'm going to add that in, and I already have all of my ingredients prepped here, so it makes it quick and easy to put together. Then we have radishes. I don't know if you've ever had radishes before. This is what they look like. Sometimes you can buy them already bagged up without the greens attached. And I have washed and sliced these thinly. Pour those over the top. And all of these measurements will be in your recipe, so you don't really need to know what they are. You can read that for yourself. Then I have some slivered almonds. So we have a lot of different flavors going on here. And then for our dressing, I have some orange juice. This is just store-bought orange juice. And we're going to mix in some sesame dressing. So I have my measuring spoon here. It takes 2 tablespoons of orange juice and 2 tablespoons of the sesame dressing. Actually, I'm just going to use my little measuring spoon to mix that all together, and you can use your measuring spoon set that we gave out for our giveaway this month. So this will give you an opportunity to use that. So that's all mixed together. I'm just going to drizzle that all over the top of the salad. And whoops, stir this all together. If you can see that, we have a lot of beautiful colors there. We have our greens, and our dark leafy greens are so good for us. They're so good for our eyes and contain a lot of different vitamins. Then we have our vitamin C and our citrus. So we have a lot going on here. This is just a really big bowl full of good nutrition. And that is so simple to put together. Mostly it's just chopping up our vegetables and our fruit, and it's all set to go. I hope that you try this at home.